Good morning, everyone. It is officially Prime Days, and here's day number 1. I will be labeling my videos like part 1, 2, and 3. Be sure to come back and check because sometimes YouTube doesn't notify you, but make sure that bell is on as well so you can be the first to see these deals because these are not going to last long. Here we have the Shout, 3 of them for $4.74. Next deal here, we have this detergent right here, and you can snag it for under $10. I know this is the haul, but you get free shipping if you spend $25, and these are definitely a snag. Like Cascade for $2.73, and trash bag deals, there are tons of them, but I'm not going to show all of them. But for example, this one is under $7. Now back to regular Amazon. Here we have tons of great Prime deals, and beauty products are going to be towards the end. So cotton swabs, $2.12, Nespresso capsules, and you're getting 50 count for $34.20. Next deal here, we have the Poppi soda. This one's price dropped down to $15, and 60 cents. Next deal here, we have the Celsius for $6. Protein shakes, we're snagging 12 of them for under $21, and there are different flavors to choose from. Now, next deal here, we have the Starbucks Doubleshot energy drinks. We're getting 12 of them for $23 and some change. Next deal here, we have this flavor-based vegetable little container here. This is super popular, you guys, and it's only $2.65. Next deal here, more chip snacks. And when you click this link, they're going to be like Rice Krispies and other items, but this one caught my eye and it's under $15. Next deal here, we have the Nespresso machine, and this one is currently priced dropped down to just $90. Now, next deal here, we have these dinner paper plates. These are 10 inches. You're getting 44 of them, and this one is currently priced dropped under $5. Next deal here, we have the Dawn starter kit. This is the power wash, and you're getting this entire set for $12 and some change. Now, next deal here, we have the Angel soft toilet paper. These are the 8 mega rolls for $6.35. Next deal here, we have the Tasty Mini Rapid Egg Cooker, 5-8 capacity for $12.99. Next deal here, we have this carpet cleaner machine by a very popular brand, currently at $139.99. Next deal here, we have this electric caulking gun, and this one is price dropped down to $47.49. Next deal here, we have the Owala cups. These are super popular. Ask my child. Only $27.99. Next deal here, we have the Stanley, and this is the 30 ounce, and this one is currently price dropped down to $21. Next one here, we have the Beats Solo 4. This is the wireless on or over-the-ear Bluetooth headphone, and I believe there's one here that's only $90, but click around and find it. But next deal here, we're moving on to beauty products, and I can't believe this is on sale. This is a Drunk Elephant Sunshine Drops, under $20. Regular price is like $40, you guys. Now, next deal here, we have the Tula Skincare, and this one is price dropped down to $10.80, another great steal. Here we have this tanning lotion, and this one is an 8.5 fluid ounce by a very popular brand, and this one is under $6. Next deal here, we have the Native Natural deodorant, and this one is price dropped down to $9.79. Here we have this super perfume or mist. It's great for hair and body, and this is price dropped down to $20, and of course you have different options to choose from. Next deal here, we have this canceling over the ear headphone, and this one is only $14.46. Medicube toner pads, and this one you get to choose from different types, and they're only $14.90. Another great product by Medicube. Here we have the collagen jelly cream, and this one is price dropped down to $9.90. Next deal here, this is definitely a steal if you use this shampoo, and this is a nice 13 fluid ounce container for under $3. This deal here, I know this is supposed to be in the beginning of the video, but here we have the Propel bottles for $6.63. Next deal here, moving on to toys. This is the original Squishmallow Cow Premium Slime, and this is only $3.99. Be sure to run because it is a lightning deal. Here we have this Lego set. This one is currently price dropped down to just $5. Next deal here, we have this Light Bright Classic. It's a classic toy. This is super fun, and it's $8.79. Next deal here, we have the Kid Craft Vintage Wooden Play Kitchen, and this is definitely a steal. It's never too early to shop Christmas, you guys, and it's under $58. Here we have this Playhouse for $179.99. Here we have Crayola crayons, and you get 24 of them for under $12. Next deal here, we have the Packet Freezable bags. This is how it looks like right here. Instead of getting it for $20, we're getting it for $11 some change. And last deal for this video, we have this Harry Potter stainless steel wine tumbler, and this one is price dropped down to $9.48. Now run. Be sure to watch out for those other videos and come back and let me know what you snagged.